Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Danish Sadiq here, and today we have an exciting unboxing of brand new iPad Pro M4 13-inch model. So I placed my order on 16th of July from the official Apple website and it got delivered by Blue Dot on 19th of July. I recorded the unboxing for you guys. Let's take a look what is inside the box. I know my unboxing wasn't that cool, so I added the clip by Dr. D-Box. He unboxes the different tech gadgets, tech products in a cool way. And just so you know, I also bought Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard for the variant. I will show those also in another video. Please do like, share and subscribe and watch this out. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching till end. Do like, share and subscribe.